Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about N8N. In the previous lectures, we have already studied about AI agents and agentic AI. And if you want to build an AI agent, then what platform is required? So here I have came up with a video related to N8N that provides a way to do or build an AI agent. So N8N is an application. Actually, it's an open source platform to build modern automation and AI agents. Here is the link to the website. You can register on this website, and the view of N8N is something like this. Okay, so it is an flexible AI workflow automation for technical teams. As I said, it looks like this. Okay, and here is what you can design a workflow. You will see many things over the website, but you can use it after post registration. Okay, fine. So what this N8N provides and why it is very much famous, that's what I'm going to discuss in today's class. So as I said that N8N is an tool to build automation applications. It is pronounced as nodemation. It is fair code licensed extendable workflow automation tool. Okay. It can connect to various apps, APIs, and AI models. Once you register over N8N, you will be seeing all these on the workflows where it is no code application N8N. You do not have to do any coding. Only the point is you are going to get an interface. Over that particular interface, you need to build the workflows, and it's like a drag and drop kind of application or support. Okay, it can behave as a personal digital assistant builders, and it do have a lot of capabilities like over 350 integrations it support. It also allows the connections to REST APIs, and whatever be the workflow which you are creating, you can download it in form of JavaScript also. Okay, so it is easily customizable and very convenient way to interact with the N8N. Okay, it enables creation of AI-powered agentic systems that dynamically think, decide, and act. Okay, so with the evaluation of AI agents, N8N provides you a support to build AI agent by using various large language models. It provides tools, data retrieval facility, and task escalation. Okay, so let us say if you want to build an AI agent that can behave as a support assistant. Okay, so here are certain steps which you can follow, like read customer issues via chat, decides to look up order history, create a support ticket. Okay, it can execute the chosen action in real time. Fine. So what you need to do in the N8N is you will be provided with a platform. Okay, and this we call as a workflow, and with the help of drag and drop, you can drop various components here. You can connect various components. You can execute or run this workflow, and obviously you are going to get an output here. Okay, fine. Integrations, as I said, many LLMs like GPT, Claude, Mistral, and you will be getting Google LLM also. Fine. And like you can see, many functionalities and facilities are available. The key feature of N8N is its node-based editor. 350 integrations I already told. This facility, as I said, you need to just perform drag and drop and build a work. Okay. Integrations like Slack, Airtable, Notion, Telegram, Google Sheets, and there are many. Okay. It supports HTTP nodes from various APIs, and custom code support is also there. You can write JavaScript functions within the platform. There is an AI agent node also available. Okay, and where you can select any of the LLM, and later on you can create an autonomous workflow. Okay, in a node, well, just using the nodes, there are so many categories. You can have a trigger node that can start a workflow. You can have an action node that can perform tasks like sending messages. You can have a utility node that can help nodes for data manipulation. Okay, you can have a coding also in JavaScript, and there are many advanced AI driven decision making things also. Fine. There is a simple memory also available. Apart from that, you can integrate with complex memory support also. Okay, fine. So it enables persistent conversation by storing prior interactions. Fine. Workflow nesting and subagents, like it allows workflows to call other workflows also. It supports specialized subagent tasks. Fine. Well, in real world, if I do say you can build so many AI agents, so many workflows over N8N, like for example, e-commerce assistant, which can manage out of the stock items, process refunds. You can make a AI support bot also, which can listen to the user issues. You can have a content generator also, which can scrap trending topics, generate blog posts. You can have an inventory manager also that can monitor the stock levels in Airtable and update them in real time. Apart from that, you can automate your Gmail. You can also perform the automation of Telegram, WhatsApp messages. Okay, fine. So, like there are so many applications which can be built using N8N workflows. Why developers love N8N? Because it is having a facility of self-hosting, like it ensures privacy and control over the infrastructure. Its version control, like workflows stored in JSON file format, it is compatible with the version control systems. Okay, so you can download the entire workflow in JSON format. It's easy for your further task. It's an open source community, okay, backed by vibrant active community, and there is no vendor lock-in. Like user own their own like their workflows, data and infrastructure, unlike property platforms. Fine. So it's your account you have set up. You can design the workflows, and just by performing drag and drop, you can have many nodes which are interconnected, and simple to complex workflows can be created, and based upon your perspective, your goal, you can build an AI agent. Fine. So this is about an introduction of N8N. I have already told you the website. Like this is the link which you can check. It looks like this. Okay, and kindly sign in here. Okay. So in the next lecture, we will be designing the basic AI agent workflow using. All right. So thank you very much. Please do like, subscribe, and share.